For today's drawing, we need an eraser, a lead pencil, along with some colors. So let's get started. So we are going to draw a cartoon character of Doraemon. For drawing Doraemon, first of all we will draw his eyes. Oval shaped eyes, large and big. After drawing his eyes, we will draw his round nose. We will make a little line at the center of the nose and make a curve. Now we are going to draw his mouth. Remember it, we are going to draw his mouth to be opened. So follow the instructions and draw a widely opened mouth. Now mark a point at the mid of his mouth and draw his tongue. For drawing his tongue, we will make two curves. Now come to this point and make a curve upward, and similarly on the other side. Now we will mark 3 points around his nose, similarly on the other side, to make his signature whiskers. Now we are going to draw his round face. For drawing his round face, start at the midpoint of his eye and make a round to his neck. Repeat this process on the other side to complete his round face. After completing his face, let's draw his head. Similarly, make a big round, big circle to draw his head. Follow the instructions carefully. Let's draw a point at the middle of his eye so that you may able to draw a perfect circle. Now we are going to draw his collar. To draw his collar, join these lines together. After making a line, make curve. Similarly, a curve on the other side. Before drawing the collar, we will draw his bell at the center of the tongue. Now we will learn how to draw his body. Mark 2 points as instructed and make a line, a curved line to shape his body. After making both lines, we will draw his belly, a round, big belly. Now comes the turn of his pocket. Now mark a point at the center of his tummy. Make a curve. Take this line below and join to this curve to shape his legs. Now comes the turn to draw feet. For drawing his feet, make a curve on one side. Similarly, a curve on the other side and join these curves. Similarly, on the other side, make 2 curves and join them to shape his feet. For drawing his arms, make a line from his collar and the second line from his tummy and make a circle at the end of these lines. For drawing his second arm, make a line from his head and a line from his body. And similarly join them with a circle. make a black outline of your drawing